Hi everyone! So today I'm going to show you how to make fluffy slime. So I have all of my stuff here. Basically the supplies that you need is some Elmer's glue, some water, some baking soda. I have Equate shaving foam and baking soda, as well as the Equate eye contact solution, and food coloring. So first what you're gonna do is get about 2/3 cup of glue and you're gonna pour it into your bowl. Doesn't have to be exact, but as close as possible. Okay, and then you're gonna add your 1/4 cup of water, and then your baking soda. And that's gonna be about a 1/2 teaspoon, sorry. And then you're gonna add your shaving cream. This right here is 1 cup, but you can do about 2 to 3 cups of shaving cream to make it extra, I guess, fluffy. So this is 1. Then I'm gonna add another. Okay, so once you have about all of it in, you're gonna take it and you're gonna just kind of mix it all. It may be a little messy, so just be careful. Okay, and also just to add a little color, I'm gonna add a couple of drops of the food coloring that I chose, which is green. And then I'm gonna mix that in. All right, so after you kind of mix it a little bit, you're gonna add a few drops of contact solution into it. I like to start off with just a few drops to mix it in and see the consistency. So after you add that, you're gonna add a couple of more because it's not quite right. I'm gonna mix that in. So you can see it slowly starting to form. So I found that it took me about 1.5 tablespoons of contact solution for it to get this consistency of the slime. Okay, so after adding a little bit of contact solution, it's to start to look like this in your bowl, kind of like this sticky, slimy type of look to it. So now I'm gonna start kneading it, and you just put it in your hands and kind of move it around a little bit. So after kneading it for a little bit, if it seems to be this kind of consistency where it's sticking to your hands really bad, and you've been doing it for a while, just continue to add a little bit of contact solution to toughen it up, and eventually the stickiness will go away. Okay guys, so after you have added contact solution and have kneaded your slime a little bit, this is kind of the consistency you will get, and this is your fluffy slime. It's a little messy, so make sure that you have paper towels on hand, but if you don't really like the stickiness, then you can always add more contact solution, but do not add too much because it will make it kind of hard and not fun to play with.